Hey there, Anteaters. We are the NFGs, and our project is Counterfeit Product Detection using blockchain. So, have you ever been in a situation where you ordered a pair of shoes, but you aren't quite sure if it's the original Air Jordans that you wanted, or is it just a fake copy? Now, imagine those Air Jordans start wearing off in a few weeks, and due to its cheap quality, it could potentially cause an injury. You soon begin to lose trust in the brand itself, which could in turn cause the brand to lose a lot of money. So, the major problem is that people are not aware if the product they bought is fake or not. So we present to you an application to track products right from the factory to your home using blockchain. At every phase of the product's journey from the factory to your home, its location is updated in the blockchain. And at the end, when you finally get your product home, you yourself can update the blockchain saying that the product has been delivered to its final location and no one can hamper with the blockchain anymore. Now let's have an in-depth overview of the product. We have developed blockchain on the Ethereum platform using Ganache and Truffle, and we have written smart contracts using Solidity. We have two interfaces for this application. The first is when the vendor is a user. In that case, it's a B2B application. The second is when the customer is a user. In that case, it's a B2C application. And we have built the front end using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. We also use Web3.js as a way to connect our client server to a blockchain server. And since there is no direct way to do this using a browser, we have used MetaMask to bring all these elements together. Now let's go for a live demo of the application.
So here we have 10 dummy accounts provided by the local Ganas to deploy our application to our blockchain. So if you can see here, there's a list of Ether that is provided, which we can use to deploy our application. So first, we'll migrate our local code to the development network, and which you can do that by this truffle migrate command. So we are done with the deployment. Then we'll start the front-end server with this npm. So we serve using this npm server, and here we are. In this, we can see there are like 6 products who have the status of in warehouse. So suppose we wanted to update the status of, let's say, product 3 here. So we can select the product 3 and we can click on the update shipment status. But before doing that, let's just see what is the current status of this product. So for that, we can go to our console, which is provided by Truffle, and we can see the current state of a particular blockchain node here. So for that, let's just get an instance of the app using our name of the product tracking application. So we got the instance, and suppose let's say we have to see the current status of product 3 here. So we can see it is in warehouse. So let's just go to the web application and change the status of it. So as soon as we updated the statement, you can see that it moved to an in transit state. We can verify that again from our console. So we can query the product 3 here, and you can see that it has moved to an in transit state. And by this way, we can update the state of any products at one of these points. I hope you liked our product. Thank you for your time.